Once you've taken off the door card and removed the old speakers, we start the install by adding a little sound deadening into the door behind the speaker. Once the sound deadening is done, silicone the new vehicle-specific speaker adapter bracket. This ensures a perfect fit without cutting or modifying your vehicle. This can now be screwed into place. Connect the speakers up using the original speaker connections. Our Audison speaker upgrades include passive crossovers, which direct the correct frequencies to the door speakers and tweeters for clearer vocals, improved detail, and better sound quality. To install the speakers, we add a layer of silicone to help seal them in and stop them moving. Screw them in carefully. We don't want to damage the speaker before we have a chance to use them. The lower door speaker is now done. Now for the tweeters. We make sure they will fit into the factory tweeter holders. Our Audison brand tweeters also come with crossovers, which we wire in and put neatly out the way. Next, we add a little foam to cushion the speaker against the inside of the door frame to make sure it does not rattle or tap. Job done on the driver's door. Now we repeat the process on the passenger side. We test the speakers, and when we are happy all is working, we put the door card back on. Another perfect install from Enhanced Car Audio and Security. Contact us if you need a fresh set of speakers, audio upgrades, CarPlay, security, cameras, and more.